Excuse me, would you mind taking a picture of us?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for central Montgomery County and central Maryland until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Germantown, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught. Shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Germantown, Rockville, Gaithersburg, Olney, Aspen Hill, Montgomery Village, and Redland around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Spencerville, Laytonsville, Brookville, Washington Grove, Sandy Springs, Edner, Ashton, Brinklow, Durwood, and Burtonsville. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Hi, Phil Swift here for